Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. This is Prakash here from Romani Exchange. So I'm just going to share my views and share my learnings from the movie Badmash Company. So in this movie, that one point I have just learned, that's a big things and the big ideas, not exactly the big things. Big ideas can change everything in your life, but you know that to achieve something big, to achieve become more richer and richer, there is a process. There is a process, so that's called a thought process that instruct to your brain to do in a shortcut manner to become more and more richer in a like limited time, in a limited period of time. And the second thought process says to your brain that to do hard work with honesty, to do hard work with complete focus and passion about that work to achieve something big goals in your life. But I will go with that second process because that will make me more happy afterwards. So that second thing I have just taken from the movie, I have just learned that we should always take a advice, we should always take a suggestion from our parents to do something in your life, because they, after all, they are our parents and they always care about our life, they always care about our career, what we are going to do. And there should be a teamwork to achieve something. There should be like around a great, there should be great friends or the great mentors should be around in your life to achieve something and to do something in your life. So without the teamwork, if a man is going alone to achieve, if a man is all going alone with his dreams and all, it's hard to achieve something big in your life. And now that I have just seen that movie, that whenever you have just reached a top level position, whenever you have just earned more money and now you become richer and richer, so you shouldn't feel pride of those things that can spoil everything in your life, that can ruin everything, you know, that can take everything from your life, and that will make you very unhappy and very upset in your life. And we should always realize those things, those we have done negative, those we have done bad in our past days, those we have done worse in our past days. And quickly we should overcome from that negative situations, and we have to do some positive things to have a great success. And whatever the dreams we have thought in your mind to achieve those things, we should always go with a hard work, we should always go with a proper focus on that work, we should always go with your brilliant ideas, we should always go with your passion of that work to make something big goals in our life. Because after all, that these things, if we are achieve something big in our life with a positive way, that will make us happy and make our family members also happy, and the life would be beautiful and the life would be great. So guys, these are the few things I have taken from the movie. Thank you guys, thank you so much.